What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1963 Impala. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Please help me out by sharing these videos. And if you hit the subscribe button, you can also hit the notification bell. Anytime I post a classic car, it'll notify you. Maple Motors is our website. You can see all of our inventory. We update that once a week, every Monday. Also have financing and shipping information. All right, that's enough of my story. We're gonna tell you a little bit about this car by taking a test drive. Y'all ready to go? Let's go for a ride. Take a look around the car before we leave. Gotta go over some stuff. Do you think the horn works? Take the pole, top right corner. It's a beautiful car inside. Lots of good stuff. Go ahead and start her up here. AC's already on. It's already cold. Gauges are coming up here. Hit about 190. Sitting in the parking lot letting her warm up. She's right below 40 on the oil pressure. The volt gauge is working as well. Showing 2,915 miles. I can't stand behind that. That's a 63 model. Does the horn work? Did you take the pole? Looks like it works. It's kind of sensitive. I hit it when I was pulling out of the parking lot here. Windshield wipers work. Do have the face of the radio. It's got some kicker speakers in the floor. I bet it sounds good. All right, let's take off. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. My leg can still get stuck onto the window. I think I got a tag. If you give it gas, picks up some speed on the air. It's supposed to be a built 350 in this car. They mentioned stroker. I don't know if they can prove it. But we're about to find out. Anything that I see that is wrong, I will let you know. We'll be watching the gas gauge. We'll be watching the speedo. Trying to give you a good, honest review. Kickdown's there. Just trying to get it to do it again. Car does pull to the right. If I let go of the steering wheel, it's fading off to the right. Speedo's coming up. That motor sounds good. It's pulling strong. It felt like it tried to shift down back there, but I can't get it to do it now. Let me slow down a little bit. Woo, it burned out. Yeah. It did shift down. We said skirt. Speedo's coming up, turn signals popping up on the dash on both sides. Gas gauge is floating around. It's moving around just a little bit. So I believe it is working. I'm not 100% on that. It did that with the air on. Good deal. Well, I'm gonna pull in this parking lot. This guy's only going like 20. I don't want to be behind him anymore. Well, the student driver's over here again, so I guess I'll go to the other side. They started taking over my parking lot. I guess it's not mine. It is a church. Visor needs to be tightened up. It's falling down. Detail guy needs to detail a little better. Dusty behind the visor, so get him to take care of that. Oil pressure sitting at 30. Engine temp's at 190 still. It hasn't really moved. It went down when we pulled out. It went back up when I started getting on it. We get some of these outside shots. I got all my gear listed below. If you want to do any of these videos, just look at the gear I have below. All right, here we go. Got y'all set back up in the driver's seat. There we go. Just checking to make sure I was in drive. Felt like I went 4 clicks back. I think it's the shifter itself there. Sorry if I move my head too fast. I gotta make sure traffic ain't coming out on me. So far so good on this one. Gauges stayed pretty low. I ended up cutting the AC off because it went to 200. That's not high, but you know, it's better safe than sorry. I don't want to sit here and stress the motor riding around the parking lot, shooting by the camera and doing stuff like that. So that's why I had the AC off. And you can hear everything better now. Definitely a cruiser. It's got the power when you want it. Oil pressure, engine temp still sitting at 200 right now. Oil pressure's at 45 riding down the road. This road here, there's a big old bump in the middle of it. We're gonna hit it, kind of test the suspension. It feels good. Most of these big cars like this just take everything nice and easy. He's got something cool over there. There's a big old bump down here in the road. Right here. Nice and smooth. Can't hardly feel it in these big body cars. If you check the last couple Impala videos that I posted, it's all the same when it comes to those bumps. Got a good sound to it, good, nice cam. Waiting on the light again. Turn the airbag on. No reason in burning up if you got it. enjoyed this test drive. This car's pretty fun to mess around with. Pull back in the lot here. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, definitely visit maplemotors.com. We got financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and I can ship these cars anywhere in the nation. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call. Our number's on the website. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. If you don't mind, hit the share. It helps us out greatly. And there's a little notification bell beside the subscribe button. Anytime I post a classic muscle car, it'll let you know. There's a walk around video of this, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, inside, and I open the trunk and give you an undercarriage shot. It'll be linked to the end of this video. I really appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.